When your airplane becomes your partner in adventure, reliability isn't optional, it's everything. Today, we're counting down 7 private planes that have earned a reputation for being nearly indestructible. These are the machines pilots trust year after year. Steady, dependable, and ready to fly when you are. No drama, no surprises, just pure confidence in the sky. Buckle up, let's get started. The Cessna Turbo 206H Stationaire HD is the kind of airplane you can count on every single time you take it out of the hangar. Built like a flying pickup truck, it's a 6-seat workhorse known for shrugging off rough strips, variable weather, and heavy loads without complaint. Its 310 horsepower turbocharged engine gives strong climb and steady cruise around 160 knots, making it just as comfortable hopping between small towns as it is crossing long stretches of open country. What makes the Stationaire HD so reliable is its simplicity and durability. The high-wing design provides great visibility and keeps you clear of debris on uneven fields, while the rugged landing gear handles surfaces that would scare off most other private planes. Wide double cargo doors make loading people and gear easy, and the spacious cabin offers comfort without unnecessary complexity. Many models feature Garmin G1000 avionics, reinforcing safety with intuitive navigation and dependable autopilot. Despite its size and power, the 206 remains surprisingly approachable, responding predictably and giving pilots a sense of control that builds trust. If you want a private plane that doesn't complain about hard work, remote destinations, or daily flying, the Turbo Stationaire HD is that quiet, loyal companion that just refuses to break. The Mooney M20U Ovation Ultra has a reputation for being a precision machine that just keeps showing up year after year. Its airframe is built strong and streamlined, designed to handle high speeds without added stress. Powered by a 280 horsepower engine, it cruises near 180 knots with remarkable efficiency, proving that reliability and performance can absolutely live together. Mooney's signature is durability through smart engineering. A tight, aerodynamic build, retractable gear, and a metal structure that resists fatigue over decades of flying. The controls feel crisp and predictable, giving pilots confidence whether they're climbing out of a short runway or cruising long distances at altitude. Inside, the Ovation Ultra offers modern comfort and Garmin G1000 avionics that help keep operations straightforward for newer pilots. Every system feels purposeful, without unnecessary complexity that might create points of failure. Maintenance is simplified by good parts support and a long production history, which means fewer surprises during inspections. For pilots who want a fast, efficient traveler that doesn't demand constant attention or repairs, the M20U Ovation Ultra is a veteran performer, a reliable cross-country companion that simply refuses to quit. The Cirrus SR-22 has earned its place as one of the most trusted single-engine aircraft in the world. Not because it's flashy, but because it delivers dependable performance flight after flight. Its composite airframe is remarkably strong and corrosion-resistant, helping the SR-22 stay in top form even after years of regular use. Powered by a 310 horsepower engine, it cruises around 180 knots with confidence and composure, making cross-country trips feel effortless. What really sets the SR-22 apart is its balanced blend of reliability and smart safety design. The cap's whole airframe parachute is the feature everyone talks about. But behind that headline is a long-lasting structure, stable handling, and modern systems that help keep the airplane predictable. Garmin avionics make navigation intuitive, and the autopilot is dependable, helping reduce workload, especially welcome for newer or returning pilots. Maintenance access is straightforward, and parts support is excellent, with Cirrus widely praised for consistent service. This means fewer headaches on the ground and more time where you want to be, in the air. If you're looking for a private plane that combines modern comfort with a reputation for staying strong well past the 1,000-hour mark, the SR-22 is a rock-solid choice that simply doesn't quit. The Beechcraft Bonanza G36 is a legend for one simple reason: it just keeps going. Famous for its rock-solid build and smooth handling, the G36 has been flying for generations with a reputation that few airplanes can match. Its 300 horsepower engine delivers a confident cruise around 170 knots, making long trips feel easy while never pushing the aircraft beyond what it was engineered to do best: fly reliably, day after day. The Bonanza's airframe is built like fine machinery, strong, stable, and designed to stay that way for decades. Pilots love how predictable it feels in every phase of flight, from takeoff to landing, almost as if it's anticipating your next move. The high-quality metal construction resists fatigue, and the trailing link landing gear makes touchdowns smoother, even on less than perfect runways. Inside, the Garmin G1000 suite adds dependable navigation and autopilot support, reducing workload and helping keep new or returning pilots relaxed and focused. And because the G36 has such a long production history, parts and maintenance support are excellent, a major factor in why these aircraft stay flying strong. If you want a private plane with true pedigree, one that has proven again and again that it's built to last, the Bonanza G36 is a timeless choice that simply refuses to wear out. The Cessna 182 Skylane is the definition of a no-nonsense airplane: dependable, forgiving, and always ready to go. With a 230 horsepower engine and a cruise around 140 knots, it's not trying to be the fastest in the sky. Instead, it's built to deliver consistent performance in real-world conditions. That's why so many pilots call it the trusty Skylane. Its high-wing design gives great visibility and stability, especially in rough air, and the fixed landing gear means fewer moving parts to worry about. This simple, durable construction is one of the biggest reasons the 182 has such a strong reputation for reliability. It handles short or uneven runways without complaint, making it perfect for weekend trips or remote airfields. The Skylane is also known for its forgiving flight characteristics. It responds smoothly and predictably to pilot input, which is why it's such a popular step-up aircraft for newer pilots. Inside, many models feature Garmin avionics that make navigation straightforward and reduce cockpit workload. Maintenance is generally easy and cost-efficient thanks to wide parts availability and a huge support network. It's the kind of airplane that spends more time flying and less time sitting in the shop. If you want a private plane that feels solid, honest, and ready for nearly anything, the Cessna 182 Skylane is a workhorse, one that just doesn't break. The Piper PA-28 Cherokee is a true aviation classic, a simple, steady flyer that has earned trust for decades. Its reputation comes from one thing above all: it just works. Powered by a reliable 150 to 180 horsepower engine and cruising around 105 to 120 knots, it's not built to impress with speed. Instead, it shines through consistency and predictable handling that makes every flight feel familiar. This low-wing design offers stable performance and gentle responses, ideal for newer pilots or those returning to flying after a long break. The fixed landing gear keeps maintenance simple, and the Cherokee's rugged metal airframe is known for handling years of use with minimal fuss. Many owners say their Cherokees feel as solid on Hour 2000 as they did on Hour 200. Inside, the cockpit layout is straightforward, with many upgraded models featuring Garmin avionics that make navigation and communication easier. There's no over-engineering here, just practical systems that help you focus on flying. The real magic of the Cherokee is how little trouble it gives. Parts support is excellent, mechanics know the airplane well, and maintenance bills stay comfortably predictable. For pilots searching for a dependable, low-stress private plane that keeps life simple, the Piper PA-28 Cherokee is one of the most trustworthy birds you can own, a plane that just never seems to break. The Cessna 172 Skyhawk is the gold standard of reliability, the airplane most pilots learn in and many never want to give up. Its strength is simple: it always feels ready to fly. Powered by a steady 160 to 180 horsepower engine and cruising around 120 knots, it's not about raw performance. It's about consistency, predictability, and an airframe that just keeps going, year after year. The high wing design brings stability and comfort in uneven air, while the fixed landing gear means fewer mechanical surprises. Even on short or slightly rough runways, the Skyhawk handles takeoffs and landings with calm confidence. Its flight characteristics are famously forgiving, making it a favorite for training, weekend travel, and everyday flying. Inside, many models are equipped with Garmin avionics that simplify navigation and improve situational awareness. The cockpit is clean and purposeful. Nothing extra, nothing complicated. That's a big reason new and returning pilots feel at home here almost instantly. Maintenance is about as easy as it gets, with outstanding parts availability and a huge network of knowledgeable mechanics. The 172 spends very little time grounded, and many examples have flown for decades with minimal drama. If you want a private plane with an unbeatable track record, one that's affordable to own, easy to fly, and almost impossible to wear out, the Cessna 172 Skyhawk is the airplane that just doesn't break.